1, 2, 3. We're getting ready to go fly. Jeremy's got his bird. It's going to be so much fun. So much fun. Here we go. A little sunny today. Gotta get my glasses. In the car. Got the birds. Got the phone. Checklist. Look at this thing. Holy crud, Jeremy, this is awesome. Thanks for driving.
Oh, absolutely.
Hey, when's the big wedding day?
Uh-oh. He's on YouTube now.
Questions.
Good, next question.
Sometime in October.
Where are you thinking about having the wedding at?
South Carolina, actually.
Your anniversary, Eddie?
Mine is June 12th, 42 years ago.
Holy crap.
What do you think?
42 years ago?
Yeah, I look like a young man now, right?
You are.
Okay, thank you.
in heart and spirit, that's for sure.
Yeah,
Here
yeah,
you are,
yeah.
going.
Not in appearance, but still. Hanging in there.
That's what counts, is right, the spirit. We're thinking steady 5. Nice.
Check the elevator.
Okay.
The rudder. And prop. And flaps.
Nice. Ready for takeoff, I guess. You ready to go, buddy? Hey, you in there. Frankie. Hey, Frankie. Frankie's ready. That thing's so smooth, Jeremy. Oh, nice one. One here at home?
Yeah. Hard to pack on a plane with a dog.
Yeah, you'd have to FedEx it. That thing is super smooth.
I'm gonna come towards us.
Ooh,
Like a pro, man.
man, nice job. Welcome back, Frankie.
How'd it feel? Being back in the saddle?
Yeah, feels good. I know I need to make some adjustments for the next flight. I had to trim it all the way up to keep it. It was still wanting to go up in the elevator a little bit.
Yeah.
So make little mods, manual adjustments on there.
Got a
Up
longer
and down.
lever. Gotcha.
Yeah.
I follow you.
And so I like to do scale flying anyway. So it's the most realistic and the smoothest. When you get a lot of throw, you get that really aerobatic style. But with the amount of thrust that this has, it sometimes can't support it, and then it loses airspeed, and then it stalls.
Dang. Look at that.
4S, 14.8 volt, 3000 milliamp.
You think that wire is big enough? I guess that's the happy sound, huh?
Yep.
You ready to go, buddy? Hey, you in there. Frankie. Hey, Frankie. Frankie's ready. All right, give me a second. I got to line her up. I'm ready. You can go anywhere you want. How big? Okay.
I was really close to that sign.
Sweet.
This is super quiet. Oh my gosh, you did it. Dude, awesome work.
Thank you. It's good to be back.
Awesome work.